In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. Whether you're connecting with colleagues, attending a class, or catching up with friends, hosting a Zoom meeting is straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end of this guide, you'll be all set to host meetings like a pro. First off, you'll want to open the Zoom application on your computer or device. Once you've got that up and running, go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, now's the time to set one up, which you can easily do from the sign-in page. Once you're in, you'll see a few options to get started. If you need to host a meeting immediately, simply click on the New Meeting button. This will launch a meeting right away. However, if you're planning for a future session, click on the Schedule button instead. This allows you to set the date and time of your meeting, ensuring that all participants have ample notice to join in. Now, before you dive into the meeting, it's a good idea to configure your video and audio settings to your liking. Make sure that your camera is working and select the microphone and speaker setup that suits you best. By customizing these settings beforehand, you help ensure a seamless experience for yourself and the participants. The next step is to invite your participants. Click on the Invite button, which allows you to share the meeting link or meeting ID with those you wish to join. This can be done via email, messaging apps, or directly through Zoom. It's a good practice to send out invitations well ahead of the meeting to give your participants enough time to prepare. Once your meeting begins, you can manage participants efficiently using the toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window. Here, you'll have options to mute or unmute attendees, facilitate screen sharing, and engage with participants through the chat function. This tool is especially handy if you're leading a large group and need to maintain structure during the meeting. Finally, when your meeting concludes, you'll need to click on the End Meeting button. This will close the session and ensure that everyone is logged out appropriately. If you're the host, you'll be given the option to end the meeting for all participants or leave the meeting yourself while allowing others to continue. And there you have it. Hosting a Zoom meeting can be a straightforward process when you follow these steps. With Zoom, you're equipped to connect, collaborate, and communicate effectively, no matter where you or your participants are located. Thanks for tuning in, and happy meeting hosting.